Rihanna and A AP welcome a girl after the birth of their two sons. Rihanna and A$AP Rocky are open to welcome more kids following the birth of two boys only a year apart. A source revealed that the Umbrella singer wants to have a girl next, as they already adjusted to being a parent of two. Rihanna has always wanted a big family, so that's something that's definitely still on the table. Rihanna and Rocky are parents to two sons, RZA1 and Riot Rose together. The Barbadian singer announced her pregnancy with Riot while performing at Super Bowl halftime show in February this year.